In today's Know Your Rights, we're focusing on workers' compensation resulting from car accidents. Attorney Catherine Stone from Barbas Law breaks it all down for us. Good morning, Catherine.
Good morning. How are you?
I am well. How are you?
Good.
Good. Okay, I'm very interested already. I didn't think that those situations could both be in the same scenario. How is that possible?
Well, if you're driving a vehicle, either your personal vehicle or a company-owned vehicle, and someone causes an accident while you're in the course and scope of your employment, in other words, you're doing a job function for your employer, you not only have been involved in an auto accident that you could have a claim for against the at-fault party or the person who caused the crash's insurance company, but you also have a workers' compensation claim against your employer's insurance company.
So I think the thing that's surprising in hearing that is that it can be your own vehicle?
It can, if your part of your job is to drive as part of your work that is a benefit to the employer, then yes, you still would have your employer's workers' compensation would still have to cover you. Now there's some exceptions. There's the going and coming rule. If you have an accident going to work or leaving work, you're not going to be covered for workers' compensation. So there are some exceptions, and there's actually a whole host of exceptions. But I would encourage anyone that if you have been involved in an accident while on the job, or doing something for your employer, running an errand for your employer that your employer's benefiting from, that you pick up the phone and call an attorney. And it's my recommendation, and all of the attorneys in my office, we all practice workers' compensation, and we all practice auto accident cases or personal injury cases. And to me, I think it's important to have an attorney who can navigate both sets of laws and know both sets of laws.
Well, it's interesting you bring that up because you're talking about both sets of laws, both types of claims. Can different insurance companies be involved in the same claim?
Absolutely. Workers' compensation, if they pick up and accept the claim, then they would be the ones that pay for your medical treatment. However, there are certain instances where you can go outside of the workers' compensation system and get treatment with other doctors that you may feel more comfortable with if you don't want to stick with the doctors from workers' compensation, because workers' comp will mandate what doctors you can go to versus any doctors you go to through your private health insurance company or through your PIP insurance, auto insurance. You get to choose your doctor.
Okay, there's a lot of navigating already in these scenarios. So once again, we're talking about the importance of right away contacting an attorney like yourself.
Correct, yes. And in fact, I just had a call the other day. Accident had happened just a couple of days prior, and there was a dispute between the insurance companies, and so we tried to get it all settled out because the client was very confused about, do I have to go to this work comp doctor, but I really want to go to this doctor over here? And PIP, the adjuster for the PIP insurance company was saying, well, you could go to this facility. And so it's very good suggestion to make sure that you have contacted an attorney so that they can tell you which laws apply when.
Well, and I want to say, I mean, confusing is right. I mean, I'm sure you said that client was confused. I'm confused just hearing you talk about it. And again, I want to talk about the importance, though, of finding an attorney that understands both of these situations.
Correct.
Just crucial.
Yes.
Okay. Well, as always, we really do appreciate your time. And I know we want to really fast point out you are a wealth of knowledge. And if people want to submit questions online, but they can also call you with questions too.
Yes. We encourage anyone to call us at 1-800-BARBAS-LAW. And we have someone that answers the phone 24 hours a day.
Great. So again, any of those questions, you can either submit them on the website, which of course is barbaslaw.com/knowyourrights, or feel free to give anyone a call, even Catherine a call. Again, thank you so much for your ideas. We really appreciate it.